Hello everyone, this is Inayat Mir with my new video series of Windows Server 2016. So this server was promoted as a domain controller. My domain name is ny1.com, as you can see here. So first thing I am going to do, I am going to demote this DC from the manage window. So here you're gonna use remove roles and features. It will tell you that you need to first demote this domain controller. So you say, okay, let's demote this DC first, and the credentials which you're gonna use supposed to have enterprise admin rights. So this is my last domain controller, and if you get a prompt for credential, you have to use them, or you have to use your enterprise admin account. So I'm going to use my admin account, which is administrator, and my secret password, and I'm going to click on OK. And you also can force remove, or if you don't want to force remove, if there are no issues, then you can let it go as it is. And let's read the warning and proceed with the removal. Here, if you want to remove DNS zones, you can remove. If there is any application partition which you have, you can remove, and click on next. And again, you have to provide your password and make sure this is a correct password. This could lead to a lot of issues, and eventually this could fail a demotion. Now you read the information here and click on demote. Once it's done, I will be back with other post demotion options. So this server has been demoted back to a workgroup, but we are not done. So let's reboot and remove ADDS binaries. So that is very important. So let me show you that once I'm back. So I am back. I am going to log in as an administrator. So I don't have ny1.com domain anymore. So I am logging in as a domain, a local administrator to this server. So now we have to check from a dashboard that if we have ADDS binaries available or not. So we have to remove them. Alright, so I'm back on my dashboard. From my local server, I'm going to look at my workgroup. So now this is a workgroup. I am on LMS5P. This was a primary domain controller, but there is no more DC, but I do have my ADDS binaries installed. If you can see this flag here, this tells me that you can promote this server to a domain controller. So if I go back to my manage and I choose remove roles and features and click on next to this server, and you will see my ADDS binaries are still installed, which is Active Directory Domain Controller. So let's go to my command line just to let you know that this is the server which I am going to use in my future videos, which is a tactical preview 5 of Windows Server 2016. So I am not going to remove my binaries because I am going to use them for my new domain controller for my other future videos. Plus I'm also going to show you a second server, LMS5B. This will be my backup domain controller, and also I will have my Windows 8 client here, where you are going to see this client will become a member of my domain controller. So I am going to use these three servers: one primary root domain, one is a backup domain controller, and Windows 8 client, and I will later on add my Windows 10 client as well. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and keep watching. I'm going to promote this series with all Windows 2016 servers, and I'll see you back in my other videos. This is Inayat Mir. Bye.